So ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to change our standard shock oil with some heavier stuff. We're going to slow it a little bit down with some thicker oil. Normally if you have 30 weight in there, we're going to put some 60 weight or 700 CST in there. So first of all you remove the shock obviously, then you make it clean as possible, and then you open it up. Of course you can turn it off like that. There's a bladder in there. I always clean it out, then you put the oil in there and then you move it slowly so that the air comes out that's trapped underneath there. The best is that you let it sit for a while like this, so that all the air that comes underneath there over here gets through the holes and escapes. So when all the air is out, I tend to do it like this. I just push it halfway so the shock is sticking out like this. Then I push the bladder on and pull it down. That's my thing. Clean the bladder, push it on, pull it down. See, now the bladder is completely in there, so you don't going to tear it up when you're going to put the cap back on. The cap back on. Then now when you push it, it comes a little bit out.
I believe I can fly.